Okay, you're in Microsoft Word and you're having a problem where hyperlinks are leaving a large space on the line above. Now, to solve this problem, we're going to use special characters. Now, the character is called a no-width optional break, and we want to insert it after this / here. Now, I'm going to show you two ways of inserting the special character. If the first doesn't work for you, try the second. So for the first method, you need to hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and then on the numeric keypad, type 8203, then let go of Alt, and you'll see that the hyperlink moves up to fill that space on the line above. Now, if you look, you can see this special character that's been inserted, and I can see it because I've got this Show Hide button on the Home tab of my ribbon. You can toggle that on and off. Now, if that method doesn't work, try this one. Click where you want to insert the special character. So I'm inserting it after that / and type 200B and then Alt X on your keyboard, and that'll do the same thing. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.